Doing good. Thank you for asking.
Okay. So how has your day been so far? Are you having a busy day or are you relaxed?
It was relaxed. Morning, there was a hectic day, but after 10 o'clock, I was mm, not
Okay.
busy that much.
Okay. So we'll start with introduction. I would love to know about you.
Okay, of course. I am Suja George. I was born and brought up in Kerala, but I live in Bangalore. So I have done my BCom. And I was working as an accountant. Nowadays, I am not working. My full-time hobby is I am working on my English. That's my full-time hobby.
Okay, right now you're working on your English. But prior to learning English, what were your hobbies in general?
Plus, nothing else. I'm working on my English only, full
That's all.
full day. Whenever I get time, I used to learn something in English.
Hmm. Okay. So in our state, I'm from Karnataka. So in our state, majorly people learn science in their
Okay,
11th and 12th. They learn science and they are into like engineering, medicine, this field. But I also lived in Tamil Nadu. So I know there people are more interested in commerce. They give more importance to joining
okay.
commerce and becoming CA or something with finance related. That is famous there. What about Kerala? What is the education system and what is famous? What do people like to become in Kerala?
There are several education. I means they are doing some variety of education, not science. BCom is also there, and some are doing BCA like that.
Hmm. But I think a lot of
Like
people are into nursing, right?
that most of the girls are doing nowadays. Boys also doing.
Yes, even boys are doing, and they're in high demand in different countries compared to India. In different
Out
countries,
of India.
um, I've seen a lot of admissions in the nursing pharmacy area. A lot of Kerala people from Keralites, they are joining these courses. That's why I asked you. Like I have seen a lot of admissions of Kerala people into
Okay.
nursing. So would you say that you like people from Kerala are very caring, kind and caring?
Hmm.
Is it?
Of course. Yeah. Our mind is like that. I don't know. For me also, I am little bit caring, means caring person.
You like to take
I
care
can
of
say.
people.
Yeah. I am very kind, helpful. I don't know it. That's in my means blood. It comes
Hmm.
out of my mind. I don't know.
Okay. So even right now you're working as an accountant?
No, I am not. Right now, I am not working. But I am. I have to work. Something I have to do. That's why I am here.
Hmm.
But otherwise, I will be lazy.
Why did you quit your job in the first place?
Reason because I had some health issue. I am a little bit nervous. That's why I'm talking to like this. Okay. Because I had some health issue.
Hmm. So
That's
how
why
are
I
you
left my
feeling
job.
now? How are you feeling? Are you okay now?
I am okay now. I'm searching job. I was working in an NGO. Now I am searching in NGO job also, only.
And Bangalore is such a nice place, right? You have so many
Yeah,
opportunities. You will get jobs easily.
yeah. But I need a good English. Otherwise, I can't survive because I don't know Kannada. I know Hindi.
Okay.
Um, I can manage English.
But in Bangalore, I think you should know English. Compared to India,
Ah,
you should know English.
I should know English.
When did you shift to Bangalore?
3 years before we
3 years.
shifted to Bangalore. Before that, we were in Kerala. We were in Kerala 3 years. Then 18 years we were in North India. My
Oh,
children are born and brought up, means not born, brought up in North India.
okay. So how old are they now, your kids?
They are grown up children. Elder one is doing B Farm and younger one is doing BCom first year.
Oh my God, you look so young. I didn't
Yeah,
even feel that you have kids. Were you married really early?
22 years, at the age of 22.
Okay, but still you look very young. Your children are in graduation already. Oh my God. What is the secret?
I don't know, genetic.
Do you get this compliment often?
Yeah, yeah. If if there is no children with me, then I will get. Otherwise, they of
Yeah.
course they should know.
Okay. So if you have any questions for me related to learning English, any doubts, you can ask. First of all, tell me why, what was that trigger point that made you feel that you have to learn English? From when did you start learning?
Okay, because in Bangalore there is a lot of competition, and after my means after leaving last organization, I went to an interview. That time I didn't give that much that type of means I can say the interview was not well.
Hmm.
That's why I thought that after that I thought that I have to learn more English, and I did my schooling in Malayalam medium. That's why after 12th means after 10th I studied in English medium. That's why I have
Hmm.
problem in this.
Yes. Hmm.
There was no environment. I didn't get.
Hmm. Okay. Then you decided to start learning English. So how long
Yeah,
has it
yeah.
been that you have started practicing spoken English?
Actually, I started 8 months ago. Then after that, I get to know there are so many conversation videos there. When I search that time, I
Hmm.
saw your video and Meenu Madam's video. Then Ram is there.
Yes.
Then Nanda Gabal sir. Every day I used to watch whenever I get time.
Hmm.
All videos I watched. I watch.
Hmm.
But face to face, no, this is my first video. That's why I am nervous.
But still, you were confident that you have to mail me and talk to me. This is your first step.
Yeah. Because avoid nervousness, I thought that face to face in conversation is good. I am doing conversation with the Mopriya ma'am. There is one session is there. I
Okay.
joined the last month. So call learners are there, but it's not face to face. So I can speak fluently on to them.
Hmm.
So
Yes. If it is audio session, you can speak fluently, but video sessions are difficult.
yeah, yeah.
Difficult to look at a
I
person
am
and
not getting words. Yeah, I am not getting words. Maybe two, three video call after video call means I can manage.
yes.
This is first time that's the problem.
No problem. Still, you're speaking well. Okay. So, since this is your speaking practice, I will ask you a few questions. Okay. So, whatever
Yeah.
you
Okay. No.
sharing, you can tell. Okay. Can you define yourself with three adjectives? Which are the three words that will best describe your personality?
Already I told I am kind, help. I have helping nature, and one more is there. I am hardworking.
You're hardworking. Okay.
Yeah.
Kind in the sense, is there any particular situation that makes you believe that you are kind? What do you like to do
Ah,
exactly?
whenever I meet beggars and all, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, uh, somewhere there is an empathy will come, and I have to give something. Otherwise, my mind will say, no, it was not good. I haven't given anything. So, and then after that, my husband will say, uh, don't give means everybody. All are fake. Some are not means really beggars. And false people are also there.
Yes.
So you have, if you want to give, you give some food to them. Then that's good. Like that, my mind is like that. Then helping nature means without willing to help others without any expectation. That's
That's your
then
quality.
hardworking means I have to. Hardworking means I have to work. Means I have to work. Means I
Hmm.
can work both. Means household chores and outside also. That's
Hmm. You are
means
capable.
I want to be an independent. I want to be an independent because children are grown up. Now I can go. There
Hmm.
is no obstruction. I can say.
That's really great. Even after like your kids are grown, still you have that passion that I have to go out and work. I
Yeah,
have to
yeah,
be independent. Still you have that wish.
yeah. Yes, yes.
Did you ever try when your kids were younger?
Because yeah, yeah. I have experience, ma'am. 8 years experience I have. But there is of course, there is a gap for children, husband's transferal job. I have
Hmm.
gap. But whenever I get time, I go for work.
Hmm. How many years of career gap do you have?
Now, now, last December I left that job.
Oh, that's all.
Now I
It's
can
not,
say,
yeah,
mm,
not long, like 6 to 8 months. That's all. 8 months.
yeah. Mm.
Oh, okay. Can I know why did you leave your
After
previous job?
marriage,
Yeah, you told you because of health reasons, right?
yeah, yeah, because of health issue.
Okay.
After marriage, there is so many gap is there because of children. Sometimes family problem. So that type of gaps are there.
Okay, no problem. I hope you get a job very soon.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
So,
Thank you.
so what is your favorite thing about your personality? What do you love about yourself?
I am very caring. Means um, whenever a person is sick, I feel guilt. Means I have to do something for them. That's caring. Especially my children. Everybody is like that only as a mother. But I am very care. Means I will not sleep at night. Means if they are sick, I will not sleep. I am like that. Even my husband also.
You care for your family very nicely.
Yeah.
If there is one thing that you like about your outer personality, of your appearance, what is the thing that you like about yourself? Like physical appearance.
Physical appearance. That I don't know.
That
You
others
can
have
tell.
told you, right?
Yeah, others have to tell.
But did you get any
Otherwise, it is
compliments? Did you get any compliments? Like, what do others tell about you? Like, oh, this is nice about you. What did
my smile is good.
yes?
Others said smile is good.
That's true.
Nose, I
Your
have
smile
nose.
is very good. Hmm.
My nose.
Your nose is good. Oh, okay. Okay. So is there anything that you dislike about yourself?
Yeah, yeah, of course. If someone hurts me, I will forgive, but I will not forget that that thing. It's not good. If you are forgiving them, then you
Hmm.
have to forget that.
Yes. Forgive and
But
forget.
I'm not, as a human being, it will come sometimes. They did they did like that. They did this.
Hmm.
It will come.
But do you want to
That's
change
I
this?
have to.
Do you want to change this quality about you, or you feel that it is okay, let me
Yeah,
be?
yeah, yeah. No, I change it because God is also forgiving us. So that way, that way we have to forgive.
Yeah, God is forgiving us, but do you think God forgets?
Yeah.
Do you think karma forgets? I don't think so, because you will get what you have given, right? So even God doesn't forget; He'll only forgive.
Yeah. we have that much that experience also.
True, true.
What you do, you will get.
You'll get that back. Okay, so you're trying to work on this quality, which is good. So what is the thing that you absolutely love doing? What do you love to do?
In my free time, I love reading, especially Bible. I have to read full Bible. I'm a Christian. Um, I never read full Bible. I have to read full Bible.
That is your wish.
That's I like to. Yeah, yeah. That's I like to do.
Okay. And is there any specific phrase or something from your Bible that you love the most?
Yes, most of there are so many stories are there.
Oh,
Uh,
stories.
so
Nice.
one Lazarus and a rich man. So can I tell
Yeah,
story?
please, please tell.
Mm. So Lazarus was a poor man. So he used to go every day. Means he can't walk. He used to go every day that rich man's house. Means somebody will carry him and he will go there. Means so that they can feed him.
Okay.
But this rich man, he doesn't care about Lazarus. So one day, both of them died and went to heaven.
Okay.
So first Lazarus went. So Lazarus was in the heaven and rich man in the hell.
Oh.
So when he look look at the Lazarus, so Lazarus Lazarus in sitting in heaven, and I am here. So he said to Abraham. Abraham is there. Abraham was there. He said to Abraham,
Mm.
"You please send someone to my brother's house so that they can change their lives." So it means that is the moral of the story is you have to help poor people. If that's why God is giving you more for you. You have to give poor
Mm.
as much as you can.
Okay. You have to
That's the
be
moral of
kind.
the story.
You have to be kind to people. And
You
is
have
that
to
the
be.
reason why you are also kind?
Yeah.
You like to give to people because of Bible and all that, right?
Yeah, from childhood I'm learning this also, but that's
Mhm.
so that I.
Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. What are you most grateful for in your life? What do you feel like? Thank you for having this. What do you have gratitude for?
Uh, of course, I thank God. I have good parents, and they are not now they are no more, but they were very good, and I got good family, good husband, good children. So
No.
he's very supportive. He is very caring.
Wonderful. And
That's
is there anyone that you admire in your life?
one one person is there, Sudha Murthy.
Oh.
Recently, I started watching her video. In this age, she is doing so many things that inspired me.
Hmm. That is your inspiration. Wow, that's good to know. Yeah.
Okay,
Bye.
mom. Thank you. Nice to talk
Bye.
to you. Bye.